Have you ever looked in the mirror and felt like something just wasn't quite right inside? Maybe it's that never-ending fatigue, those simple infections you keep catching. Or maybe it's just that nagging, indefinable unease. Many of us, caught up in the hustle of life, struggle to hear the whispers of our bodies. We stick rigidly to our daily routines, take our showers, brush our teeth, and often assume we're doing everything right. But what if we're wrong? I'm going to tell you something shocking. There are 5 hidden areas that most people, especially those in middle and older age, neglect that are vital for our health. Insufficient cleaning of these areas can lead to serious health problems, from chronic inflammation to infections that weaken our immune systems. New research suggests that poor hygiene in these areas may even be linked to heart disease, diabetes complications, and even cognitive decline. Don't worry. Rectifying the situation is possible with simple steps that will only take a few minutes of your day. And these small changes can provide incredible benefits, from boosting your energy to improving your blood circulation and even extending your lifespan. I learned about these hidden hygiene mistakes during a conversation with Dr. Elif Demir, a geriatric specialist with years of experience working with older adults. What she shared completely turned my understanding of personal hygiene upside down. Today, I'm going to share with you those 5 body areas that most people neglect and where a little extra care could add years to your life. And don't worry, I won't be telling you to spend hours in the bathroom or buy expensive products. These are simple and practical tips that you can easily integrate into your daily routine. However, the impact of these small steps on your health can truly be life-changing. Stay with me until the end of the video because once you learn about these 5 important areas, you'll start to notice real changes, such as fresher breath, better balance, fewer aches, and even better quality sleep. Now, I'm going to ask you an open question. What health concern worries you the most about yourself? Share it with us in the comments section. And if you care about your health and want to receive more tips like this, subscribe now. Because on this channel, you'll find all the information you need to live a healthier and longer life. Are you ready? Let's start with our first surprising and most neglected body area, your tongue. Your tongue, the hidden health bomb in your mouth. Your tongue isn't just a muscle that allows you to taste and speak. It's also a breeding ground for bacteria. Poor tongue hygiene can be linked to heart disease, diabetes complications, and respiratory infections. The correct way to clean your tongue. Use a tongue scraper. Gently scrape from back to front. Repeat 3 to 4 times and rinse with water. Do this in the morning before breakfast and at night before bed. Benefits. Restores your sense of taste. Strengthens your immune system. Eliminates bad breath. Iced teas and Tiamin Bay's experiences prove this. Start slowly if you have sensitivity and consult a doctor for unusual symptoms. Now write 1 in the comments. Your feet, the neglected foundation of your health. Foot health is directly connected to overall health. As we age, blood circulation slows down and foot problems increase. Foot care is crucial for diabetics. Proper foot care. Wash your feet daily with warm water and soap. Pay attention to the spaces between your toes. Dry them thoroughly, especially between the toes. Use moisturizer but avoid the toe spaces. Check your feet daily. Ali Bay's fungal infection and balance issues improve with proper care. Now write 2 in the comments. Your armpits, more than just sweat and odor. A hidden key to your immune health. Armpits house lymph nodes and play a role in detoxification. Neglected armpits can lead to irritation, infections, and a weakened immune system. Proper armpit care. Wash with warm water. Use a soft cloth. Gently cleanse in different directions. Choose a mild, fragrance-free soap and rinse thoroughly. Dry and allow to air dry before applying deodorant. Ice hand and skin rashes disappear with proper care. Now write 3 in the comments. Your nose. Breathe better, live better. The hidden impact of nasal hygiene. The nose is a natural air filter. A neglected nose can lead to congestion, sleep problems, and low energy levels. Proper nasal care. Gently rinse in the morning. Use a saline spray or neti pot. Inhale steam. Gently blow your nose 1 nostril at a time. Semel Bay's and Belkis Hanum's experiences show the benefits of nasal care. Now write 4 in the comments. Your belly button. Hygiene neglect you won't believe is real. The belly button is a place where bacteria and residue can accumulate. Failure to clean it can cause bad odor, irritation, and infections. Proper belly button care. Gently cleanse while showering and dry thoroughly. Take extra care if you have a piercing. Consult a doctor for unusual symptoms. Jane's odor problem was resolved with simple cleaning. Now write 5 in the comments. This was the most important and surprising information in the video. So thank you for watching until the end. Small changes, big gains. By paying attention to these 5 neglected areas, you can significantly improve your health. Now it's your turn. Which habit will you start adding to your routine? Share in the comments and subscribe for more tips. Wishing you healthy days.